What's going on, you guys? Hope you're having a great day. God bless y'all. God is good. Good to see another day. We're actually here just making our first pickup. You have to park on the street and then check in at that office. Come in here. I actually want to go scope it out before because it looks pretty sketchy. Just gonna make it our way inside, so it's cool. Cool thing is that at least they have a scale just in case we need to use it. Yeah, when you come to places like this, it's always better just to scope them out before. We're headed right there where that truck is at. Right now we're just gonna swing around this way, make our way around it. It's gonna be a tight fit, but take your time. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa, hold up. Let me see if I can get yeah, these places are they're cool though. No, they'll test you, but we should be good. Cool thing about this one is it's got a 2-stop. Let me see. I gotta wait for him. No, okay, cool. And then you have to go around this way. And then you have to cut. Did I go the wrong way? No, I think you have to go this way, no? Yeah, so you have to go this way. Flatbed. Yeah, you have to cut. Yeah, you have to cut this way, I think. Oh yeah. I don't think we'll be able to get through there though, so I think we'll just have to wait. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to wait for a bit. How you doing, boss? I'm here for a pickup, but I'm guessing it's this way. But I'm guessing they have the entrance blocked, so.
Yeah, the entrance right there is just there's just a little truck, a little small pickup, just
blocking the way.
Just tightening up everything. It's almost done.
Now you're good, as long as I'm not blocking your way right here. Or do you want me to go turn around and wait over there?
Good.
For sure, man.
I'm just gonna get your order ready.
For sure. I'll wait for them to leave.
Yeah.
Appreciate you guys, man. Back up. Get out of their way. Get a little bit closer to this thing right here, so it's easier for me to flip, kind of make my turn right here. Yup. Triple shade, Millard Creek. Let's see how long we gotta wait for that little pickup truck to get out of the way, I guess. Yeah, we'll be alright though. The little truck finally left and we have access now. I will say this though, some places just okay. Hey, yo. just gotta get around to that trailer. I'm guessing next to that CR England. Hopefully they don't kick us out like, oh, you gotta leave because there's no space or something. Yeah, not gonna lie, a little nervous, but we can get through it. We can get through it. Easy, Bubba. Cool. That's awesome. I'm guessing they have it here for emergencies because it's like wood and shit. So they don't gotta call the police. They can just, I guess, themselves do it. Or it's for show, but that thing is awesome. See? Awesome. If I ever got FU money, I would buy one of those. Just literally park in front of the house and just have it there, bro. Let me ask if they want me to dock it on tour or they want me to wait. No, I think we just... Primo! Oh, that's going on. I'll probably want it on 2 or something. Ahorita le pregunto. Yeah. I guess I'll just dock it on 2, but I'd rather ask. I don't want it to be an issue, bro. Buddy. Ahorita le pregunto. Confirm, buddy. Oh, you're awesome. Let's get after it. You want me to lift it up for you, bro, or it's good right there?
This would be good.
For sure, man. Awesome. Thank you. Oh, this shit is wild, B. I thought it was leaking, but no, I think it's just the AC. I thought it was, but no, it's just the AC. Oh yeah. Might not look like much, but right now it's hella foggy, and there's gonna be a lot of rain up in this mountain. You always want to be careful, especially with fog. You always want to give yourself a good enough distance from the other trucks in front of you. It's not necessary to move because we're going pretty slow up the mountain, but if you ever see somebody just on the side of the road, just move over if you can, because you never know if they're working on the truck or too close to the shoulder, and let's say they slip and they fall onto your lane. You don't want to cause an accident or hurt somebody. Just better to, you know, give them their space. I am in the mood for some hot chocolate with this weather though. I got some in the truck, so hopefully I'll do that as soon as I park for my 45-minute break. Make some hot chocolate, enjoy it with some warm cookies. Ooh, fire, B. Yeah, even if I don't want to, I always just try to put my emergencies on so they can see you better. Have your lights on. It just makes it better. We're going hella slow. That's why we stick to the right lane, just so we don't cause other drivers a headache. Give it. Well, we're about to encounter some pretty good rain, but nothing that if you can't take it slowly, you'll be all right. Driving in the rain it's a bit different. For each weather is different, like driving through snow or driving through a snowstorm, through wind, through fog, and through rain. Way different driving style that you want to have. And in fog, you never want to stay too close to a truck in front of you. In the rain, you never want to try to stay on the right hand side too much, because you can find a lot of puddles. You don't want to hydroplane even on a truck. If it's empty, that can cause that too. And then in a snowstorm, if you don't feel comfortable, just pull over in snow. Just have your chains, or if you don't want to, you don't have to drive. But if it's fresh snow, you're pretty much good. If it's already been set for a while, you might want to be careful, because there's white ice and black ice. White ice is like when you get snow that's been compacted too much, you get like this little film, and it's just white, and your tires don't even touch the road. They're literally just flying on top of compacted snow. And then black ice is just literally what it sounds like, just ice that's been like water that's been frozen on top of the road, and your truck literally has no traction. You just, and it's crazy because back there it says like heavy rain up in the mountain, but the mountain is cleaner here than it is down there. And I thought it would have been bad, but that's why you can't always believe what you see or the weather, because I checked the weather and it said it was going to be heavy rain in mountain areas, but as you can see, there's literally nothing. But we're still going to drive it carefully. That's just the thing about this job, like I was telling you, like you could plan for certain things, you could plan for certain weather. Like it's barely coming down, but it's not too bad, you know? But up here is like hella sunny, so it was only bad weather for like 15 minutes coming up, and that was it. After that, it's all clean. So don't trust your weather report. Don't trust the road signs. Do your own research, and like if you can't, look at the cameras. You know, there's places they'll have like Caltrans, they'll have cameras in certain places, and they'll tell you like, and they'll show you like what's the road conditions like. If it's congested, if there's no traffic, if it's snowing, if it's raining, if there's an accident and stuff like that. It's a good tool to use as well. I might have been wrong about the rain. It's coming down pretty hard. Nothing too extreme, but and then in the rain, what I also suggest you don't do is turn your engine brake on, or even in the snow, don't even use it. I've gotten used to it, and that's what I was taught. I was taught. Dang it! I was taught to use it no matter what, so I got used to just, no matter if it's snowing, thunderstorm, heavy rain, whatever it might be, I just always leave my engine brake on. Even for uphill or downhill, pretty much on all the time. I don't take it off unless I usually have to. Too bad. There's parts of it, but it's not too crazy. But still, though, even though it's not raining like excessively where you're blinded, it's still not always a good idea to speed up or anything like that. Just best to relax. At least the cool thing is that they're getting water. Hopefully the summer's not a dried one. We don't have a drought or anything. It's gonna be plentiful of water, so that's gonna be cool. I'm just trying to hit the lakes, bro. Take my little toy hauler and head up Lake Tahoe, head up Yosemite, head up Redwood National Forest, Sequoia. Yes, sir. That's the dream right there. Retire after trucking, just retire, get my toy hauler, my RV, and then just take off, either cruise the whole US, or I think buy like some farmland, buy like some land in like the forest or like a wooded area, and just park it there and create like a off-grid little tiny house RV place. Because this whole trying to work till like you're 70, yeah, that's not for me, bro. There's people out here trucking till like in their 60s, 70s. Don't get me wrong, I know it's the hustle, but at that age, Nah, man, I'm trying to enjoy my life by 50. The latest. The earliest, retire at 40 and just live off Mother Earth, and thank God that I'm still alive and able to just kick it and chill for a bit. You know, the scenes do make the job more tolerable, and you enjoy it. But you know what? That's what I was saying. Like, it'll tell you one thing, it'll do another, so you can't predict the weather. And that's one aspect of this that kind of sucks, because like if you plan your trips in accordance to a certain, like, I'm gonna stop here, or I'm gonna end my journey here, and my logbook is gonna give me enough for this time. Let's say there was an accident or a snowstorm or rain or something happens and you don't make it, you gotta like somewhat finagle your logbook, and you know, you're not trying to do any of that stuff, or like not sleep somewhere comfortable or in a safe area. And then that's what people like officers, DOT inspector, they don't take into consideration. Like, you can plan the best that you can plan, but you're always gonna have unforeseen things, you know. Let's say you're driving and snowstorms hits, so instead of you going 60, now you're doing 35, but you plan to stop somewhere and sleep there, but now you can't make it, so you're off on the shoulder. Like, oh, that gets you a ticket, or you get you kicked off without a logbook. Now it's a ticket, now it's a violation. It's like, well, I planned it to get here, but I couldn't make it, you know. And to them it's like, I've had officers be like, well, that's not my problem, you know. And it's like, well, it should be, because like at the end of the day, like, I'm trying to be safe, you know? Like, I'm not causing nobody any harm, I'm not blocking the highway. Yeah, I'm off on an off ramp, but it's because like I planned it, but you know, unforeseen things happen. But at the end of the day, like, people don't want to hear excuses, you know, which kind of sucks in this business. But rainy and windy. It's a combination for when you're light. It's a bad combo. Yeah, when you're empty, or you're traveling like with like potato chips, or like toilet paper or some, or light stuff. Yeah, rain, wind, and snow, not the best combinations you want to have. But more than anything, wind, because at least in snow you can pull over, or like you kind of get an idea of like, oh, I'm gonna slow down a bit, or not go too fast, or I'll pull over. But if a wind catches you at a wrong time, you're plopped over on the side of the road, you know. You tried your best, but nah. Good thing is that right now, since we're about to hit the city and it's peak hour of traffic, I'm just gonna pull over, kick it for a bit, make myself something to grab, a hot chocolate, enjoy a movie, and just kick it for a bit until it goes down, and or make our delivery. Right now I'm using this lane because I know that one's like super messed up, and I'd rather not even be right there. Not trying to hit all them potholes and bumps, trying to mess up your suspension, you know. But I'll kick it at the brake check area for a bit, make myself a meal. Take it easy, take it easy. California is the only state that has a 55 miles per hour for truckers. You can travel 60, but you're still risking a ticket. It's just a recipe for a disaster. Things get expensive. At least we'll pull over right now. Ooh, if there's even a spot. Ooh, yui. Yep. Yep. I think we might be screwed if there isn't a spot. Nice. The one time I'm trying to like just kick it, bro. Nice. Yeah, I was planning out for here, but if it doesn't come through, what are you gonna do? Yep. Mother. Yeah, I'm just gonna kick it right here for a bit. I kind of hate doing this. I do, bruh. Yeah. I don't know why, but I hate with the passion. If not, I'm gonna go kick it over there then. Now we'll kick it here.